the coordinates of the point on a curve with the equation y equals the square root of x that are closer to the point 40 are. This is a minimum and maximum problem, and we want the minimum distance from the point 40 to a point on the curve y is equal to the square root of x. And so what we first need to do is find the rule for the distance between these 2 points. We know that the distance between 2 points is found by the rule d is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Sketching a diagram, we want the distance between the point 40 and a point on the curve. The coordinates on the curve is going to be x and root x. And so we can say that this is going to be x1, y1, and this is going to be x2, y2. And so subbing in these values to the distance formula, this is going to be the square root of x2 minus x1 squared, which is going to be x minus 4 squared, plus y2 minus y1 squared, which is just going to be square root of x all squared. From here, we can use the fmin command in the calculator to find for which x value this distance is going to be a minimum. For the fmin command, we need to write in the rule, and then we need to write the variable we want, which is x, and then we need to write in the domain. And so when x is equal to 7 on 2, we're going to get the minimum distance. Now the question asks for the coordinates of the point on the curve, and so to find this coordinate, we need to evaluate y is equal to the square root of 7 on 2. This is equal to the square root of 14 on 2. And so the coordinates are going to be 7 on 2 and the square root of 14 on 2, which is option C for this question.